Welcome back, Volsay Game. On this episode, we're going to be working on the Suburban. As you can see, we're going to be tying up some loose ends. We're still waiting on coilovers to get here, so we can't get a whole lot done with the suspension. So we're going to finish up boxing the frame. We got some bump stops to throw on the rear. We're going to weld up the truss on the front axle. Finish making the fuel tank a home. Stick around. Since we finally found a place to put the fuel tank, we decided we'd go ahead and get the rear bumper set back up, put it on there. This time around we decided we're going to go ahead and weld it on because there's no need for it to be bolt on anymore. It's not blocking anything, it doesn't have to be removed. And one thing we have learned with a plasma cutter, welds are only temporary. I think I hyperextended in my knee. That wraps it up for this episode. We got the plates tacked in place for the front half of the frame. The truss welded up. We got the fuel tank figured out, how we're going to mount that. We got the rear bumper put back on, so it looks much, much better now. There's still a lot of little stuff we got to do. Until we get coilovers, we're just going to be buttoning up a bunch of that. We have the shifter to install, Still got to make a console. The front seats, we need brackets for that. And we have to finish up the floorboard where the fuel tank's going to be at. So let us know what you want to see. I'm curious. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give us a like. You got any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You'll get notifications anytime we get a new video. So until next time, enjoy.